Hello, Aspire Clean community. How would you like to hear firsthand from one of your peers in the industry how he was able to grow his business over 3 times his annual revenue volume in 1 year by using technology? Well, I'm going to clue you in where you're going to be able to hear this story, and that is at Ignite 2025. We hope that you join us on September 15th to 17th in Anaheim, California for 3 fun-packed days where you're going to be able to network with your peers in the industry. You're going to have an option to choose from over 70 different breakout sessions for system learning and peer group learning. And we're also going to feed and entertain you quite a bit. So we promise that we work hard, but we also play hard at Ignite. But I'm here to talk about you, our Aspire Clean community. You heard me mention before that you have a peer who is an end user of Aspire who has been able to grow his business almost 3 times in less than a year. Well, he is going to be a guest speaker at Ignite. We have planned a specific, dedicated, clean track session just for our industry. And we're focusing on you. We're focusing on a lot of the topics that you've raised that you'd like to learn more about. And of our 6 dedicated clean sessions, we have 3 of them where we're going to have guest speakers who are your peers, again, end users of Aspire in your industry, who are going to present their success stories, their strategy, and really just try to network with you to give you some tips and tricks on how they use technology to grow and sustain their business. So let's talk a little bit more about some of these sessions. This really is a sneak peek because we are going to be posting full session and description details on our website in the very near future. But we wanted to give you a little sneak peek so that we can get you excited about what you can hear about. So we already talked about our session that's going to be about mastering big client acquisition and using technology to do so. But have you ever considered using robotics for your company? We also have one of your industry peers who is going to speak about how he's invested in robotics to be able to combat the labor turnover, shortages, costs that all of us encounter almost on a daily basis, and how that's really helped his business grow and sustain. And little hint, he may be bringing one of his robotic pieces of equipment to do a live demo for us. So that would be very exciting to see. We're also going to have a roundtable that focuses on how you can use inspection functionality and technology to not only drive internal quality audits with your employees, but also how to tie that potentially into bonus incentives and beyond. For example, this Aspire client that we're going to have speaking and leading and facilitating this roundtable is going to share with you how they also use inspections to drive proof of service with their customers. We're also going to have a session where our product managers from Aspire are going to showcase some of the new features that are going to be released this summer. That way you can get a frontline demonstration on what features might help your business run more efficiently when using Aspire, and then take that home after Ignite to implement with your teams. And last but not least, we've got our team prepared to present about Aspire Mobile and how you can use the mobile app to drive more streamlined timekeeping functions, as well as using issues, photo sharing, different note sharing, and service visit checklists to really emphasize to your team what job-specific requirements might be. And we are also going to dive into one of our new features regarding flat rate pay to show how you can drive accurate job costing, whether you are paying your employees an hourly rate, a by building rate, or a flat fee rate. Again, that's just a little sneak peek about what we are preparing for you when you visit us in September at Ignite. If you haven't registered yet, we urge you to do that, sooner the better. Please visit our landing page at youraspire.com/events, where you'll be able to see a video testimonial from last year's Ignite, and you'll also be able to register. Thanks, and I really hope to see you at Ignite in a few short months.